Hey guys, it's Matt coming at you. I'm here at Fuller Seminary doing a 2-week intensive for my master's, but I wanted to talk to you guys about the packing and how are you supposed to get everything into 2 bags. Well, first of all, let me clarify, there are no checked bags on this except for there's going to be some liquids and stuff like that we are checking, so if you absolutely need something, let me know, and we'll have a couple bags that we're shipping over supplies and that kind of thing. But primarily, everybody's going to have a bag about this size, right here. See that? Open it up. Or it might be a duffel bag or something like that. But even this one right here, you see I've got my towel in there, and it takes up quite a bit of room. So that's part of the strategy too. For packing, you want to pack like just thin towels, maybe 2 little thin towels, which will save you a ton of space. The other thing is a sleeping bag. If you've got like a camping sleeping bag that's about that big, by about that wide, so just right around that size. That's probably the right size that you're looking for. But that's one of the reasons that I actually bought you guys these, is you can use these thin blankets as your sleeping blankets, and that'll work perfect for Hawaii because it's so hot. The other thing is your pillow. You can actually take your pillow on the plane with you, so you can have your backpack, your suitcase, and a pillow, and that's completely fine. So you don't have to worry about packing it. For me, I didn't want to have another pillow, or I didn't want to have just another pillow, and I kind of wanted to have it in my suitcase. So because we're supposed to be bringing something warm for the volcano when we go, because it gets about freezing, I wanted to have my jacket. And so since mine's a puffy feather jacket, I'm actually just using that as a pillow here at Fuller too. It's nice, thin, and it's packable. So I was able to pack the jacket into my stuff and all that too. So that's a big part, is you can take your pillow out, or you can combine a pillowcase and your puffy jacket, and that's going to be awesome. The other thing you're allowed to have, let's go over the backpack. So just a backpack that can fit under the seats. This is a pretty big backpack, but it actually fits under the seat fine, of the seat in front of you in the airplane. And in this I had a bunch of stuff, but the key for this one is the other backpack that I gave you can go inside of it, because you're going to want a smaller backpack for if we go around town and you want to bring like your towel or something. You don't want to keep carrying your big bag. So that's another travel tip. You're going to want your shoes and everything in there too. So that's the general idea, is if you can condense your sleeping bag, if you can condense your towels, even if you're carrying your pillow outside, that should help everything to fit. And it should be good. If you have any other questions, let me know.